Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, power sunroof, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar Communication System, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.